guys, simply Naturabelle here. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video, as you can see by the title, is an unboxing video. But before we get into the unboxing video, I'll give you a little intro. So if you would have seen my 2018 goals video and my whole theme of restoration, my whole focus for this year is to have restoration in all areas of my life that need it, and it's basically all the main areas of my life. And excuse my voice, my sinus has been affecting me, right? So one of the areas that I wanted to improve on is actually building or restoring my relationship with God and my prayer life. So this unboxing ties into that. One of the things that I mentioned is that I don't just want to have goals written down, but I want to have action plans, or actually take action steps to getting these goals accomplished. And two things so far I have started with in terms of restoring my spiritual relationship with God, and this is in keeping with one of these things that I have been doing. There is a friend that I made in university that was a good few years ago. She's from the beautiful island of St. Lucia, and her name is Nadine Joseph Collins. Some of you who went to school, who went to USC in our time, probably would have met her before and probably know her. She is very popular right now. With her ministry, she has a prayer ministry, and it is called Nadine Collins in Ministry, and she goes around the world basically helping women to restore their relationship with God, build a better prayer life, be successful in their life, in different areas of their life. She's a prayer warrior, she's a believer in God, she's a faithful servant. All these things we can say about her, and we are seeing God working through her own life, right? So one of the days when I had, I was at home for Easter vacation, I think, or was it before that? But recently I came across a video she did introducing a course, right? And this is the prayer, the prayer counselor's course. So I listened to her video, and based on what she said, I said, okay, let me go and check out the page with all the course information, right? This is a course that is helping you to, again, connect with God, which is something, or reconnect with God, which is something I am hoping to work on this year, or I would like to improve this year. And you know, a better way to pray and all these things. It was so, when I read the page, I read every single thing on that page, and I was so impressed, and I said, this is like exactly what I need right now in my life. And it's almost as if whatever was written there was for me, Mel, personally, for me. So I said, okay, I am interested in this, and I am going to check it out and see how I can be involved and be a part of it. Now this course will be coming in May. As I said, it's a certified prayer counselor course, and this is for people who want to personally build or rebuild their relationship, their prayer life with God, and probably those who are stuck in life and who are not getting the answers to the prayers. You're not getting enough out of your prayer life, you need a change. This is the course for that person, as well as this is also a course for people who would like to be prayer counselors for others, who would like to help others restore their prayer life and to build back that relationship with God, or to even start a new relationship with God. So that course is for these people. So I am excited, and I am happy that I will be a part of it, and I cannot wait, right? So we spoke online, and I noticed that she had some books that came along when you sign up with the course, right? So I got that as part of the course bundle, and they were very interesting by the cover, and she has written several books, so I decided to pick up those books as well, right? So that is what I will be unboxing today, and it came in this package right here, right? And she's with the Sonari Life Incorporated company, and we're going to unbox it. Now, one of the reasons why I felt that I really needed this is because I have been praying a lot recently, and I realized that I am not connecting the way I used to while I'm praying. So I'm praying, but I feel like I am not, probably my prayers are not reaching God, or I'm not getting the fulfillment of, or the satisfaction of feeling okay. God heard my prayer and he understands, and so on. So this is one of the reasons why I really wanted to be a part of this, and I also wanted to get these books to help me with those things as well. I haven't opened the package as yet, so I am going to do that right now and show you guys what I got. Right, and these things came pretty quickly, so it's just a mix up with me putting my Skybox number. It wasn't on it, so it took a little longer than it would have. Right, so this is what I got straight out the package. Ooh, and there's a card. Oh, it crushed up a little bit. All right, and one thing, now I see the card, I forgot to mention that she has a program currently on the Dare to Dream network, which is a network under the 3ABN network. That's the 3 Angels Broadcasting Network of Seventh-day Adventists, and it actually came with a little card or a brochure, mini brochure that shows you tells you about the Dare to Dream network and its programs designed with you in mind, urban Christian lifestyle television. And I really like this this channel. I usually watch it online because we don't have Flow anymore, so I usually watch it online. So you can get it on Flow, and you can also get it online live streaming as well. So I will leave the links for I can't remember what channel it is on Flow currently, because I know Flow changed up their system. I'm not sure if they changed it. Right, so she has a program, I think it's called The Missing Piece, where she talks about prayer as well. So that is something I also enjoy. And at the back of this, showing you the different shows that they have. They have Salvation in Symbols and Signs, A Father's Heart. I've never seen that one before. From Sickness to Health is one that hubby and I really enjoy. It usually comes on late at night though. I'm not sure what time during the day it shows. But this is very informative and it's very funny. There's this guy here. I can't remember what they call him, but he is always painted blue. And he does everything wrong. Everything people do to be sick, he's sickness, technically. And it's really fun and interesting and informative. Making It Work, that's another show I like to watch. It's a counseling show for families and so on. Married couples and different relationships. They have blended families and so on. Pure Choices, The New Journey, Road to Romance. I've never seen that one. Right, so it's a really nice channel for those who are looking for a Christian channel. Again, I will leave it here. And now this here, this is what it comes with. It actually has a wow DVD. It's the Week of Wellness Prayer Edition. Encouraging, empowering, equipping. is what the DVD looks like. Very pretty. Y'all know purple is my favorite color, so this is so pretty. And it says this Wow Prayer series is for anyone who desires to have a more effective prayer life. The series will walk you through the fundamentals of effective prayer to reaching the point of practicing habits that will make your prayer life go wow. It is our goal that as you listen to these simple presentations, you will be inspired and encouraged to work on the habit of praying daily. So this is exactly what I need. So actually it's a 2 DVD set. Again, purple, very pretty. And the first one has 4 topics. The DVD 2 talks about praying in faith, praying for favor, and you get bonus features, and they give a little bit of information underneath here about Nadine. It's very fine. So yes, I'm excited to get this, and these are the 3 books, and they are so beautiful. I love the design. So the first one is Make Your Prayer Life Go Wow. It's very professional looking. Actually, she put a little brochure here about the course I told you about before, I mentioned before, and I will go into that a little later. Right, Make Your Prayer Life Go Wow. I really like it. Right, and it says everyone wants a powerful prayer life. Everyone desires a prayer life that actually works. Right, everyone wants to be totally satisfied with a prayer life that makes him or her go wow. So it's just giving you different tips for those of you who want to uncover how to get a yes answer from God. And it says that she builds a clear path that anyone can follow chapter by chapter, which explores the fundamentals for developing a powerful prayer life, and then it tells you what you will understand more clearly, right? And again, it has at the back about the author. This is her right here. Very nice. Right, so it says Nadine Collins holds a PhD in educational administration. By the way, she is a very intelligent and very professional young lady. I admire her so much, the way how she dressed, everything, right? That is just a little extra. But has dedicated herself to full-time ministry together with her husband, Nice Collins. She has been empowering the prayer lives of others around the globe, as well as a presenter for weekend and weeks of prayer, women's prayer retreats and events, and at prayer conferences and summits. She's been all over the place. The last time I think she went to I saw some of her pictures. She went to, was it Nigeria? One of these places. So she is in demand, people, right? She's also the primary host of the prayer program The Missing Piece, right, on 3ABN Dare to Dream Network. And she has a website as well, www.nadinecollins.com, and she can be found on Facebook. Again, I will link all the information down below. The second book I have, it's Secrets of the Wow Praying Woman. This just shows the picture with the hands. Again, I really love the quality of the books, and it's such a nice size. It's not too big. This can easily fit in your purse. You can throw this in your handbag, anything, and it's slim, but it is kind of compact. Ooh. And it actually has spaces for you to write in it, which is great. So it's not just a devotion book. Actually, you have to answer certain questions based on the readings, and I like those things because it helps you understand what you read a lot better. So this one, it says The Secrets of the Wow Praying Woman. At the back it says women know how to talk. So they know how to pray. Women love to connect through deep and meaningful conversations. That is true. Women love when they can be totally vulnerable and free to express their feelings. Women love to share secrets too. That is true. It says in this book, the secrets of a wow-praying woman are revealed. Her ability to be connected not only to others, but also more importantly to God is one of her distinct characteristics in having a powerful prayer life. In each chapter, she reveals secrets and secrets within these secrets that can assist every woman to have a deep, meaningful, and effective prayer life. Are you ready to know her secrets? Shh. And she will tell you all you need to know. I love that. That is a perfect little note about the book at the back there. Very nice. The last one says, wow, prayer battle plan for spiritual warfare. And we all know that that is what is going on and has been going on ever since. We are in a spiritual warfare, and in order to win and to be victorious, we need to be connected to the winner and the king, right? And he will assist us. And how do we connect? We connect through prayer and Bible study and other things. So this is how this one looks. I really like it. I even like the feel of the book. It feels really nice. Quality, quality, quality. I'm very proud of Nadine and these books. This one says, you are always in war. And that is what the enemy does not want you to believe. Instead, he wants you to believe that you are in war with the persons around you. He wants you to believe that the trials, struggles, and challenges of your life are your actual battles. What he does not want you to believe is that he is your real enemy. In this book, we journey through the concept of prayer as spiritual warfare, literally paralleling the Christian fight to war that soldiers fight. Using war imagery and the metaphor of battle, readers are encouraged to view their daily battles as war with and against their true enemy, the devil. But because of their powerful leader, God, victory is always assured. Right? Chapter by chapter, we examine important facets necessary for every believer when engaging in war. Using the battle plan, the Word of God, readers will receive practical strategies most necessary to gain victory in every war situation. This just explains everything, guys, about these 3 books, right? So I cannot wait to start the course, and I cannot wait to dive into these books because, y'all, I want to be closer to God because I know that is what I need right now in my life. Again, I will say it, I really need this in my life, right? So I am very, 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 very excited to try these books. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the information in the description box down below. See you in the next one.